Hi guys, good afternoon. So for today, I'm going to share to you my review to this washing machine, electronic washing machine, which is the Electrolux Cyclonic Care, specifically EWT705WN. If you're planning to purchase this washing machine, so please check it out. Okay, so let's start with the precautions here. You'll see. So number one, do not put washing machine at humid place. Then hands shall not be inserted into the running spin dry tub, of course, because your washing routine will be distracted. So if the spinner tub does not stop within 15 seconds after opening the cover, please stop using the machine and have it repaired. Keep children away from washing machine. It's very dangerous if children fall into the tub. Actually, it has a function wherein when you press this both, the other buttons will not work. So it's a lock functions for children who can reach this button. And of course, what I like with this washing machine is that when you open this one and then leave it like this, it just falls so slow that it does not destroy this part. Okay. And then the body, I also like the body because it's so wide, it's very easy to clean. Actually, I've been using this washing machine for a year and is very easy to clean, I can say. So let's go to the buttons. Okay, let's turn it off and then turn on. You can see here the program. So you have to choose what program will you use. Is either regular, delicate, mix, wool, heavy duty, bedding, or quick wash. It's almost the same with a regular washing machine, but the difference is that it's very automatic. You don't need to remove the clothes before drying it. So what you will notice is that the quick wash is for 17 minutes, while the rest has longer time. When I press the program, you have to press the water level first. Then 44 minutes. And for delicates, for baby's clothes. Then for mix, if you have different kinds of fabric in one single wash. And then for wool, if you're not familiar with wool, those are clothes that are mostly used during the winter. For jackets, for coats. And then for heavy duty, those are the clothes that have very thick fabric, like the pants. For the beddings, of course, you already know that. So let's proceed with the water level, the time manager, and then the rinse. It's very familiar with that. For the quick wash, you cannot change the minute. And for the regular, it's very easy to use. I usually use the regular function. So I have here, for example, I'm using the 4, and then using the 1, 2, 3. It's up to you actually. Then extended, it's regular. The short for shorter minutes. Okay, I will show you the actual use of this washing machine using my beddings here. Then let's see here. Okay, so there are sheets inside, and I'm going to use the washing machine to show you how to use this. So let's turn it on. I'll be using the regular function, and then there will be two using 6 only because it's not so full. And then the rinse, I'm mostly using twice. And for the spin, I'm using usually the short one because it's already hot outside. Okay, so let's press the start. You'll see the water is drying now. See, they have this cross in the back. It's very familiar. You will also have to connect either in the faucet, or what I use is the hose. Then this one is very crucial. This tube, you have to let it down so that the water flows, because there will be an error if you let the tube just hanging here the back of the washing machine. So you just let it run, you just let it wash and then spin. Then after 40 minutes, at exactly 40 minutes, all you have to do is to bring the clothes out and let it dry. See, this is the whole body feature of the picture. This is the whole body of the washing machine. So if you're planning to purchase this, it is not for, I'm not paid for this